WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
It's been a super wet year. We certainly know that. Record-setting in some instances up to this point. But the drought monitor is back. We are monitoring some dry pockets in Mississippi and Alabama. Those are those areas in yellow. Nothing to worry about yet, but this is the driest time of year now. We're starting that, and things could domino as we go through time. So we'll just see how things play out here. We'll watch that. Dry tomorrow and Saturday. Spotty storms possible Sunday, but better chances for scattered rain and storms starting Monday and for a good chunk of next week. A great looking view from Louisville, Mississippi today. Look at those friendly cotton balls, cumulus clouds, not too terribly tall. And that just means we have a fairly stable and relatively dry atmosphere. Storms bubbling up over here in Alabama and Georgia. Also back in Arkansas, we are sandwiched in between. You may spot the International Space Station tonight. It comes in from the west at 8:31, visible for 4 minutes, and it'll be about 48 degrees above the horizon. So if you saw it the other night, very similar tonight with mainly clear conditions. It's looking great. Now later on tonight, look at these temperatures, mid 60s, maybe some upper 60s too. Very comfortable, very similar to what we had this morning. If you were up early, you know how nice it was. Same story on our Friday morning. For you in Noxapater, there you go, 60s, 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Enjoy it through the 70s, back to around 87 by midday and around 90 or 91 in the afternoon with mostly sunny skies. Still a bit of a northerly breeze here, and that will just stir things up just a little bit to give us a nice little breeze or two, especially if you are in the shade underneath one of those trees. It should be pretty nice and refreshing, even though it will be warm. Just pack the sunscreen, wear your hats and whatnot. The sun's still very, very powerful, but if you find some shade, it will be decent with a little bit of a breeze. So we're sandwiched in between a couple of storm complexes that will be dying to our west and some more scattered storms here to our east on Friday, probably Saturday too. As we get into Sunday, we are thinking that there could be a few spotty storms that start to reappear in North Mississippi, probably higher odds farther to the south, closer to the coast. But after that, all bets are off, and we'll just see how much rain we can get in here over the upcoming week with those spotty storms. All quiet here in the Atlantic. That's certainly good news. No tropical system waiting in the wings, but we are thinking that the rest of the tropical season could be relatively active. Right now, pretty quiet, though. Low 90s tomorrow, mid 90s for your weekend. 90s next week, but look at those rain and storm chances going up to 40, 50, 60% starting Monday.